this is just a quick video review of the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel fluffy dog toy. It comes in a little plastic bag, and this is the little toy. I'll just show you around it. It gives you all the information. So it's wearing like a little scarf. You can see his little whiskers and his little nose. It's a felt nose. And the eyes are also stitched, so they're not plastic eyes. So you don't need to worry about your pup pulling out the nose or the eyes. Now the ears are very soft and silky. So he's got the markings of the Blenheim Cavalier King Charles. And there's the little waggy tail. And the part that the puppy will love the most is the squeak. So hopefully let's see if it squeaks. So I think that is a really cute dog toy, and to be honest, it's a bit too nice to give to a puppy. But there you go. Please read my written review. And thank you for watching. Oops, he's tired. There you are. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Woof woof.